Hello class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I, Richa Parekh from St. Thomas High School, Mahua, am here to further continue with the subject of English for the students of class 5th. My dear students, during the previous class, we were discussing activity number 3. We discussed the meanings of activity number 3 and today we are going to see the question answers along with the meanings. So first of all, let's have the revision of the meanings. Brilliant, that means very intelligent. Well behaved, having good manners. Strange, odd. To take a serious note of, to take something seriously. To step in, that means to enter. Husk, that means shells. Scattered, that means spread all over. To fly into a rage, get very angry. Mischief, naughtiness. Guilty, at fault. To wonder, to think. Culprit, something who does something wrong. Cane, stick. To cane, to beat with a stick. Boldly, bravely. Innocent, not guilty. To restrain, that means to control. Overwise, that means over smart. Immediately, at once. Fair, right. Just, so fair and honest. Innocence, not being guilty. To admire, to respect. Courage, guts or bravery. Justice, fairness. To praise, that means to admire. Ordinary, that means common. Now let us discuss the question answers. Why did the teacher get angry with the students? So in the story we already saw about Bal Gangadhar Tilak and his childhood experience. Why was the teacher angry with the students? The teacher got angry with the students because someone has scattered groundnut shells near his table. So the reason the teacher got angry was that someone has scattered the groundnut shells near his table. Why was Bal's argument to stop why was Bal's argument to stop the teacher from punishing the what was Bal's argument to stop the teacher from punishing the class? Bal argued that all the innocent boys should not be punished because of one boy's mischief. So Bal argued that all the boys, those who were innocent in the class, should not be punished only because of one single boy who had conducted the mischief. Why did Bal leave the class? Bal left the class because he could not see the innocent boys canned. Bal left the class as the sir told that if no one is going to tell me the name, those who have conducted this mischief, I will cane to each and every student, each and every boys. Therefore, Bal told that I cannot see the innocent boys being caned. What qualities of Bal helped him to be a great leader? Bal's love for truth and justice helped him to be a great leader. Who is your favorite national leader? Why do you like him or her? So we can say that it depends on each and everyone. Here the answer is my favorite national leader is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was the strongest leader who kept India united. He is called the Iron Man of India. Ask your classmates about their favorite national leader and note down their names. So here this activity is what we'll conduct in the class itself, and until and unless if you want to write something about your favorite national leader, you can write the same. Suppose you were in Bal's class on that day of the event, what would you have done? If I would have seen the groundnut shells scattered on the floor, I would have picked them up and thrown them in the dustbin. I would also have stopped the teacher from punishing the whole class. So here we are at the end of today's video. In the very I am sharing a PDF file in which the same question answers are given. You can write the same in your fair book, and in the very next class we will continue with the further activity of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.